So let me guess, you're an e-commerce brand or a small business owner and you're feeling stuck when it comes to creating videos for social media. I get it, it's tough. Videos take time, editing skills, and let's be real, sometimes it feels like you need a full production team just to stand out. But what if I told you that you could simplify the whole process using AI? Yep. In this video, I'm going to show you how Predis AI can help you create stunning, scroll-stopping product videos for your social media. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard or break the bank. Stay tuned because I'm also going to walk you through step-by-step how to use Predis AI to create your own videos and share some tips to make sure your content really shines. Okay, first, why even bother with product videos? Simple. Videos are everything on social media right now. That's the way to stand out on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. They're more engaging than photos. The algorithms love them. And most importantly, they convert like crazy. I mean, people are way more likely to buy a product after seeing it in action, right? Whether it's a quick demo, a lifestyle shot, or even informative text on stock footage. But here's the catch. Making high-quality videos consistently is hard. It takes time to plan, film, edit, and optimize. And if you're a small business, you don't always have the budget or resources to hire professionals. This is exactly why AI tools like Predis are such a game changer, making the process faster, easier, and more affordable. They take all the hassle out of creating videos, so you can focus on what really matters: running your business and making sales. Sounds pretty good, huh? Now that we've established why videos are essential for your e-commerce strategy, let's actually create one with Predis AI. Don't worry, it's super simple and I'll guide you through it step by step. First things first, let's set up your brand. Go to the Brand and Social Accounts section. Here, you'll connect your social media platforms. Go to brand details and add your logo, set your brand colors, and even upload custom templates if you wish to. Think of this as layering the foundation for all your future content. Once that's done, click on Create New Posts and you'll see a range of options depending on your content needs. Social media posts to grow your online presence, ad creatives to design impactful advertisements, e-commerce posts for showcasing products and building awareness, and of course, e-commerce ads, which is what we're focusing on today, to promote your products and drive sales. Next, choose your format. Predis AI gives you two options: single image, which works great for clean and static designs, and video, which is our peak because dynamic content is where the magic happens. Videos grab attention and let's face it, people are way more likely to stop scrolling for movement and sound. Now let's pick the right canvas size based on where you'll be posting. Portrait for Instagram Reels and TikTok, Square is perfect for Facebook and Instagram posts, landscape for YouTube or any widescreen ads. Let's choose all three options because why not? It is possible and it's amazing that you can repurpose content across platforms. Next up, linking your e-commerce platform. Predis supports platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, so link yours and select the product you want to promote. Then fill in a few key details like a headline to grab attention, a subheading to highlight the product's key feature or benefit, and a call to action like shop now or add to cart. Once you're happy with everything, click generate and Predis AI will whip up a professional video tailored to your input. Look at how amazing it turns out. Clean, polished, and ready to wow your audience. But we're not done yet. You can customize your video further using the Creatives tab. Add or adjust text, try out different templates, and explore animations and design elements that fit your product's niche. Here's another awesome feature. Predis gives you AI-generated captions and hashtags to boost engagement and drive sales. It's like having a little social media coach built right into the platform. If you chose earlier just one canvas size, you could still adjust your video to different dimensions with the resize feature. Before you hit publish, check out the engagement indicator. This tool shows you how well your post is expected to perform compared to your usual content. If there is room for improvement, it gives you actionable suggestions to help your post reach its full potential. And if you want to step up your strategy even further, head over to the competitor analysis tab. This is your ultimate cheat sheet on what's working for similar brands in your niches. It gives you deep insights into your competitors' social media strategies, breaking down what's working for them and why, and even their top performing posts, key trends, and audience preferences. Definitely use these insights to outsmart the competition and create content that stands out. Finally, visit the Idea Lab. This is where Predis really shines. The AI-powered chat can help you brainstorm fresh ideas tailored to your products, audience, and goals. Need a catchy hook, a product description, an entire content calendar? Done. It's like having a content strategist, social media manager, and creative assistant all rolled into one. From there, you can jump straight back into creating posts to bring those ideas to life. It's a seamless cycle of analyzing, brainstorming, and creating, all with Predis AI helping you stay ahead and consistently delivering engaging, high-performing content. And that's it. That's how you can create stunning e-commerce videos with Predis AI. Next, let's dive into some pro tips to make your content stand out even more. Now, before you hit publish, here are a few quick tips to make your e-commerce videos really shine. Keep them short and snappy. People scroll fast, so aim for 10 to 30 seconds. Focus on benefits, not just features. Instead of saying, this moisturizer has hyaluronic acid, show how it makes your skin glow. Use captions or subtitles because, trust me. And finally, always include a clear call to action. Tell people exactly what to do, whether it's clicking the link or adding to their cart. See? Creating professional e-commerce videos doesn't have to be overwhelming. With Predis AI, it's fast, easy, and honestly, kind of fun. If you're ready to take your social media game to the next level, check out the link in the description to explore Predis AI's e-commerce tools. And hey, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I would love to hear how you're using AI to grow your brand.